Welcome to the next lecture from this course, where we're going to speak about UI components. So first we're going to make an overview, then we're going to check out reactive forms with Angular, and we're going to complete this lecture with overview of list view. So let's begin with UI components overview, and let's start with the basics. So NativeScript ships with it a built-in set of different UI views that we can use. It's using wrappers of Android and iOS native view, and they provide a common API for XML and JavaScript usage. So, for example, here we have the code that is written in C#, and for example, here we're requiring a file system, and we want to use file class, and we want to use file method passing some parameters. Then, depending if you're building on Android or iOS, this will be converted to different code which is matching the targeting platform, and it's native code. What about the theme? Well, we have Bootstrap inspired CSS theme, and it's included in every new NativeScript project. Here I left an example with documentation where you can review different types of design that we have built in and how you can use them. Here is a quick example. We have light theme and we have one more light. They're this is the normal light and this is the material one. We have also default dark theme and another dark one, which again comes like material. You can see that there is slight difference in the button, how it's displayed in the both cases, and here in toolbar as well.